It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.